Hey y'all, welcome back to another installment of trippy things that don't get less trippy the more I think about them. So today I want to talk about a doozy, the law of duality and the law of oneness. So they are connected, and in essence, two things are true at once and everything is happening all at the same time, which is really overwhelming and in general trippy to process. I often think about this, and there's just so many layers you can go into with this concept. So, with the law of duality, most of us understand that there's hot and cold, dry and wet, there's night and day. Like, there are these yin yang opposites that come together to make a whole, and their balance creates harmony. So, the trippiest example I can think of with this is underwater environments versus air or oxygen environments. So they're basically the same, but they're different, but they're opposite. It's so weird. So underwater, the main medium is water, hydrogen. And oxygen is still present, but it's just in a different form. So it's in like little bubbles, right? And then they have, similar to us, like a bottom or a ground. They have coral reefs and kelp and seaweed that look a lot like trees, function a lot like trees and plants. And then when you go above water, you have now an oxygen environment, but it's pretty much the same thing. It's just in a different medium, which has different physical properties. So like oxygen has different properties than hydrogen. It's going to feel different living underwater than in the air, but they're connected in this like harmonious balance. For instance, when you're outside on Earth, hydrogen is present, it's just in a different form. So we have clouds, those are literal manifestations of water in the sky, just passing throughout our environment. And then you have rain, hail, snow, ice, steam. So there's a lot of variety of how things merge and change, but at the end of the day, they're all the same. The sun is fire, but it's not the same as a bonfire. You know what I mean? I could go down a whole rabbit hole with this concept, but it comes to the law of oneness, where at the end of the day, everything is one, but it's different versions of this whole expressing itself at the same time. So hopefully that's not too overwhelming. It definitely overwhelms me, but leave in the comments below your thoughts about this.